Hello, welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 14 natural remedies to clear out your sinuses. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Sinus congestion occurs when fluid becomes trapped in the sinuses, making them feel blocked and painful. Sinus problems happen when too much mucus builds up in the cavities behind your face. This causes one or more of these cavities to become swollen or inflamed. In some people, especially those with allergies or asthma, this recurs regularly, leading to constant pressure around the nose, a bad-tasting postnasal drip, headache, exhaustion, or other symptoms. Many natural home remedies can help a person feel better. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 14 of them. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 14. Breathing in steam. Breathing in steam can help keep the mucous membranes moist. This is particularly important during winter or in colder climates. This may help relieve the symptoms of sinus congestion and encourage the sinuses to unblock. Running very hot water from a shower and breathing in the vapor may help unblock the sinuses and relieve symptoms. It is also possible to use a humidifier for the same purpose. Number 13. Raising the head. To help encourage sinus blockages to clear, a person may consider raising their head during sleep. A person can use extra pillows to prop their head up. Conversely, keeping the head level may result in a greater buildup of congestion overnight. Number 12. Rest. Get plenty of rest to help your body fight infection and speed up recovery. While you sleep, prop yourself up with a couple of pillows. Staying elevated can help you breathe more comfortably. Number 11. Add humidity. Use a humidifier or vaporizer in your room while you sleep to add moisture to the air and help reduce congestion. Dry air, tobacco smoke, and chlorinated water can irritate the mucous membranes in your nose and create an environment ripe for sinus infections. Number 10. Vitamin C. C is the key. Up your intake of vitamin C. This may help fight off sinus infection faster, reduce sinus inflammation, and relieve the duration of a sinus infection or cold symptoms. Number 9. Using eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil relieves the symptoms of sinus congestion. It may also help kill germs in and around the nasal passage that contribute to a sinus infection. A person can use eucalyptus oil by applying it to tissue paper and sleeping next to it, or by adding it to hot water and inhaling the steam. Number 8. Use a warm compress. A warm compress may help alleviate some symptoms of nasal congestion by opening the nasal passages from the outside. To make a warm compress, first, soak a towel in warm water. Next, squeeze the water out of the towel, then fold it and place it over your nose and forehead. The warmth can provide comfort from any pain and help relieve the inflammation in the nostrils. Repeat this as often as necessary. Number 7. Take medications. A congested nose can be uncomfortable, but some other over-the-counter, OTC, medications may clear out your nasal passages and bring relief. Make sure to speak with a pharmacist when choosing a decongestant, antihistamine, or allergy medication. The pharmacist can also answer any questions you may have about a particular medication. Number 6. Trying a neti pot. Neti pots are small teapot-shaped devices that help a person pour a saltwater solution into their nasal cavity. This may help relieve the symptoms of sinus congestion by keeping the mucous membranes moist and functioning properly. Neti pots may also help treat congestion by flushing out the sinuses and the buildup of any material causing a blockage. It is vital to follow instructions carefully. FDA notes that if a person has not properly cleaned the neti pot before using it, it might cause a sinus infection. People should clean neti pots using distilled, sterile, or previously boiled water that is free of harmful germs. Number 5. Spray. Use an over-the-counter nasal decongestant spray that contains salt water to help keep your nasal passages moist, unblock congestion and treat inflammation. Some sprays can only be used for a maximum of 3 days. If you exceed 3 days, you will get a rebound or worse nasal congestion. Other nasal sprays, like fluticasone, are more effective the longer you use them. Number 4. Hydrate. Many people swear by drinking liquids, especially hot liquids, to help relieve a stuffy nose. Although it's certainly important to stay hydrated, especially when you're not feeling well, the effect of hot liquids on congestion can mostly be chalked up to the placebo effect. Researchers who split up a group of people with cold and flu symptoms, giving half of them a room temperature drink and the other half a hot drink, found that there was no measurable improvement in nasal stuffiness in either group. But interestingly, the group that drank the hot drink reported greater relief from symptoms. Researchers also speculated that in addition to the placebo effect, the taste of the hot drink also contributed to the favorable response. Number 3. Boost your immune system. A few herbal treatments, especially menthol and eucalyptus oil, can also help ease a stuffy nose. Menthol, a derivative of peppermint oil, can be found in inhaled balms and rubs for congestion. Menthol doesn't decrease congestion. Instead, it stimulates the nerve receptors in the nose, which makes the nose feel like more air is going through it, and this is often perceived as cold air. But there's no real effect on congestion or the amount of air moving through the nose. Still, mentholated products are a good option to try when seeking fast short-term relief from sinus congestion. Number 2. Allergy medication. You may want to take an antihistamine or allergy medication if your nasal congestion results from an allergic reaction. Both types of medications can reduce the swelling in your nasal passages, helping to unclog your sinuses. Combining drugs containing both an antihistamine and a decongestant can relieve the sinus pressure and swelling caused by allergic reactions. Number 1. See a doctor. Although nasal congestion will generally subside on its own, congestion that lasts for more than 7 to 10 days calls for a visit to the doctor. A viral infection usually goes away on its own within a week or so, but an infection that lasts longer is often bacterial and may require an antibiotic. If you experience other symptoms, such as a high fever, one-sided nosebleeds, wheezing or shortness of breath, or persistent facial or tooth pain, see a doctor right away. Sinus congestion most commonly occurs as a result of a cold, virus, or bacterial infection. Symptoms include a sore throat, a runny nose, and coughing, among others. There are several simple home remedies that a person can try to help relieve these symptoms. You should consider seeing a doctor when their symptoms do not go away or become worse, and the doctor will be able to work out what is causing a person's infection and prescribe appropriate medication if necessary. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.